Hello, my beautiful people. Easier one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, I see one video where my beautiful lady Imose do. And that video really makes sense where. You understand? Because of this single mother we cry out for Germany, say they collect a picking. But this girl, the way she wanted to behave these days, me, I don't understand really. I don't understand. Single mother, not the cause craze. You understand me, my darling people? Because this thing is getting too much now. What did this girl they do? It just come out that day they insult Mama Gladys, insult German lady, they insult people. I can't say this girl I can't turn presenter. I won't present and I just to the fair insult people. I can't say my fair wash and small. I can't they wash and this girl can't they go out of track. He can't they go out of track. I can't see one video where he put one boy for video. They ask the boy, what will be your name? One Igbo boy. When she they jogo with her children, they there. You understand? They kiss the boy. I say, this girl be cry and say make he need help. Which one what she can they do now? This one now pass Joromi. Because this what she can they do now? It can't be like say she not the evil reason he picking where they collect again. Now another thing she just can't they. I can't they wonder, my darling people. This thing where this girl they do now it makes sense. When I sure say this girl see they okay. Or this girl or not never come up for your head, my darling people. What did they happen to this girl? What did be her problem? Now me I don't know. Eh? She just can't they commit nuisance. Whether she can't they do they shocktalize everybody. So the video where he must do, I go put the video more on listing. She really makes sense. Like she talk and say because of this kind single mother, I make a fair they insult her once at a time. You understand? They insult single mothers them. You understand? Because what this girl can they do now? Not be picking where they even collect again. If you not see what this girl they use her math, they talk now. The thing they shocktalize me. I bet say na help now she need before. But this one what she can they do now come pass Joromi, oh my darling people. This one pass Joromi now. Me I not gonna understand. Not be even in picking where they collect she can't they go. Or not that thing that she just can't they do for social media now. This girl that they commit nuisance, they do nonsense things now for social media. Many presenters don't they fall out for her now. Not be even in picking where they collect she dey again. She say mama, na so she be she na mommy water, she get spiritual husband. Na so mama go take a medicine for mommy water and wait take born am. Nana, the mommy water they disturb her. So she Nana, she don't know what to do again. Even some things where she they do before they collect the picking, she knows that they want collect her picking. She even tell the woman, say, my picking you come for. You know, you can see a lot the woman they come. Like seriously? Me, I don't understand the girl again. If you not see what this girl they do now, hey, una go know why I they talk like this. I go put the video where Imosete talk. Before Imosete come provoke like that, you know, say the thing is really getting too much now, really. This thing is really getting tougher. I see one lady today, they do live video because of her too. This girl, they commit nuisance. If you jam and see this the way they do now, hey, go past Jeromeo. What should they do now? Hey. I don't know. I go put am on and see am. This one, what should they do now? I can't even the worst now. Because if jam and see this one, they don't go even come give am that picking again. Really? This girl, you come, they insult people, they talk anyhow. Well, I need to see what this they do now, my darling people. I go put the video now more on listing. Thank you, my darling people. And before you start to watch the video, please subscribe and share the video too. That ad won't until they share my video. God will continue to bless that ad for now. Thank you.
That video pissed me up because of this stupid set of women that make a perfect insult me one certain time because I stood for them when you were a single mom. And what we are moving now, madam. Who think about one more video where children did the annoying part of where children did for they do your rubbish. Who be responsible woman like you. I know Jews are tossing when they jot to say that they respond. This one is an irresponsible. You color, go and brush yourself up. You are too dirty for my liking. Allah gonna know my manner. Oh, what that will do why you're not a single mother? Oh, we made 13 years, or ye na, moko kehia. Oh, bien ma voix barona, 4 years, or jeli on. Am I kissing me there? We can oje, about all the while, PM, we can oje. You know, we are dating boy, and my voice not good. Tell me, I'm a quarry. Even do we can obimeje, at the phone, at the do things, at the. But, baby, not concern on it. Like when the daughter imagine on it. Oh, yeah, if man want talk to her, now so she dey do. Even that time, if my ex, they want talk to her, now so she go dey. She know they look their face. Hey, monoria, children when spoil. If they see ma, if they went, oh, have your cocoa, and they go carry shares, come outside, begin to talk. Why I am money saka? A money saka ya ga mi ya. They go chook up for the man. Picking children when spoil. If you get such picking, oh yeah, dead yet. So I repair that child. If you get such picking, when be say if you see man, you go just you can go what do you want what do or what say well. As you see that man on that time, you go come one make on the throw your shop at no see na sport child you get. What log wise in this single mom? What log wise so? Ekia beluwa. Na kasaba they kill some of una. Una go watch me something if I want to use such vocal word like this. I will talk as small, so I'll come bring gun down. See the video when they talk, when they word, when they do that. One logo where mother ya total. I even did a video that say, come, people when they collect their children, they don't they make noise. I remember then when my daughter did small, she didn't want to hear. Because I did here when I give birth to her. The woman when I get the place, one come they follow me, they drag my pikin. Waiting maker, because before social one collect your pikin, there must be a reason. Then my daughter fine, well, will not be now when she don't go, she don't change. My daughter make call. People will know my daughter, will know me and my daughter. When know us that they know the story when I want to talk so. My daughter, fine, where, na pikin will fine. Waiting make them want to collect that child from me before this child from me. The place when I did, I said I not fit sick, I don't tire. I want to go walk. I don't tire, I'm depressed in here. I want to go and walk. Those of you know the story. Una go know say na true this woman talk. They don't want to collect my pikin because I abandon her. They don't want to collect my pikin because I want to take care of her. They don't want to collect my pikin because say I dey carry the fefe men. No. Now the reason I want to tell you so. Because I want to go look for work. They tell me, so okay, no problem. Go look for work. Meanwhile, I don't know say na targets neither day. Now targets because me there, I don't complain. I want to come up for their hand. I want to go meet the child papa. That time papa still dey Italy there. Because I want to go meet her. They say no, they not go agree. Me and her because that one still dey young. They still dey young. They say no, say we too dey young. We not fit take care of the child. I said, now you born my pikin for me. So I was making problem with them doing everything. I told them, say look, I want go carry this pikin go meet papa. They say no. Okay, I want still go work. Because me na woman wey be say. I know if you know gas, my husband go get money rich, he go say me no work. If I know one, if my husband say me I know they work under people, he go give me money use and start business. Not because I want to be mama or man. No, I just want to be independent woman. I just want to do something to support the family. I'm that kind of woman right from time. I be hard-working woman. I not be lazy woman. Forget you as you just see me, so forget that thing. No job when I not fit do. I don't fit talk am. I fit do like weekly. I fit put something for my head. They sell as I don't sell my €1 this thing now. Just to support myself. I don't want to depend on my or go to sleep with different men for money. Even that time when I see they date, I see talk am. I know they date because independent women, if they tell you say they love you, they really love you. Not because of what you get, because you have nothing to offer. There's just someone like me, You have may have nothing to offer me. Because I can walk, I'm a strong woman, I can do it alone. I only need man back up, someone. May God push me, someone follow up.